Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a glowing text by using only one effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's go and do it. Inside Premiere, I'm going to hit C on my keyboard, or you can go to the Type 2 icon and click on it. Then I'll create text anywhere onto the program monitor. I'm going to type down glowing, and then I'm going to press Escape and V, and also make it a little bit bigger. Then the next thing I would do is select the text again, click with the right button on the mouse and select Edit Properties. By the way, that's a new thing in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's the newest feature from the newest update. And like that, you can have access to the Essential Graphics panel straight away, which makes our life much easier. And from here, you can customize the text in any way you'd like. Then I'll deselect the text by clicking anywhere on the program monitor, go down to the timeline, and while we still got the text layer selected, I'm going to hold Alt and the left button on the mouse and duplicate this layer. Next, I'll go to Effects and type down Gaussian. Go down, grab the Gaussian blur effects and drop it onto the first text layer. I'll move up to the Effect Control panel and increase the blurriness to around 53. And as you can see, we've got a glowing text effect. And the cool thing about it is that you can change the color to whatever color you like. You simply select first layer, go to Essential Graphics, make sure that you click on Edit, and then select the text, go down to Appearance and click on Fill. And from here you can choose whatever color you like. And also, if you want to sample the colors onto the background, you can click onto the eyedrop and go around the program monitor. Choose the color you'd like to use for your glowing effects. And that's how you can create this cool effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.